Many traders do share that even after doing everything correct, they are not able to generate the required returns. What are the few silent killers in your trading? Many times it is a very small difference between a winning trade and a losing trade. Sometimes we feel, is it because of luck? But mostly it is because of very small mistakes we do. Today we will see three, as Mr. William O'Neill famously said, the whole secret to winning big is not to be right all the time, but to lose the least amount possible when you are wrong. So a proper risk management is the key to success. Welcome to another video by the Option School, and I am your friend Pradeep Singla. Disclaimer: all the content in video is purely for educational purposes, no recommendations at all. Let us dive into these rules one by one. I will also be showing an adjustment with example which has saved me a lot of pain and money. All these rules are simple but will be appreciated by you if you are somewhat experienced and has faced some tough trading situations. I wish someone would have told me these rules when I started my trading journey. Our first rule is very simple but very practical and powerful. Never trade naked options. Options are decaying assets. When we buy a naked option, we are not just racing against price, we are racing against time, also known as theta decay, or I'll say theta decay tax. This simple thing makes naked buying very dangerous. Another thing to note, speed of loss or profit is very high in naked options, whether it is buying or selling. It is extremely difficult to capture profits consistently. And this is one of the main reasons why 93% traders lose, because there is hardly any control on traders whether I am buyer or seller of options. Thirdly, capital efficiency is extremely low, especially in case of naked selling of options. Instead, balanced trades can give us much better percentage returns. Let us see an example also. A bear call spread and a naked call sell, both are bearish trades. But a bear call spread requires only about 35,000 in margin compared to 1.35 lakhs required for a naked call sell. For making 2% on deployed capital, you need 2700 rupees profit in naked call, whereas only 700 rupees profit in balanced bear call spread. See the difference. So rule number one implies that every sell must have a buy and every buy must have a sell, and hence no naked positions in our portfolio. This alone can reduce the pain at least by 40%. Please analyze your past trades and let me know if it is true or not. Please hit the like button for better reach and visibility. Each like is very valuable to us. Rule number two says you must move beyond the basic stop loss theory and do master the firefighting techniques and adjustments. Not necessary to learn adjustments for all strategies, but just choose few setups and master the adjustments in them only. One of the simplest adjustment technique is extending your break-even point. Every trade will have one or two break-even points. And if you know how to push the break-even point further in required direction, your job is done. Let me show you by one simple example. Now in this bull call spread, we had a break-even point of 25,852. Beyond that point, above that point, it will be profitable. But if market remains below this, it will be in loss. Now, in case market is drifting down, can we bring down the break-even point? So by ninth, market started drifting down, giving a loss in the trade. Let us see a small modification to bring down the break-even point. We added one lower bull call spread and brought the break-even point down by 60 points. Here, please note we are not discussing the merit of this method, but understanding that okay, what does it means to bring down or bring up the break-even point. And by doing this, we are able to come into a profitable zone on expiry day. This profit is much better than the original trade profit at the expiry point. So shifting the break-even point is one of the best adjustments we can do with our trades. One of the best friends of option seller is strategic rolling over of positions. This one adjustment techniques has saved me lots of pain in many trades. Many times nearer expiries do not allow you to stay in the trade even when you are right. Rolling over the trade to next expiries makes lot more sense than booking loss. Let me show you one example here also. Call was sold again naked with a break-even point of 25,729. On expiry, this call from 29.5 rupees became 235 rupees. Since it was naked call selling, there was a huge loss. Already rule 1 is not followed. Still, this call was rolled over to next expiry with similar price. So call shifted to 26,300 next month at 222 rupees. And as we can see by expiry, all the loss is recovered and some extra profit is also there. So rule 2 implies whenever a position is stuck, knowing how to adjust gives one a massive advantage over those relying only on simple directional bias. And it is always better to know your adjustments before entering the trade. Means doing a proper trade planning before entering the trade is very important. Finally, rule number 3, respect the profit on your screen. Follow this 1.5% rule. As soon as a monthly setup hits 1.5% profit, we must book at least a partial profit. Booking profit when it comes is the best way to capture profits. Just analyze and see in past how many times you were in profit and you didn't book it. What happened later? Just share in comments for everybody's benefit. Always remember, profit booked is your profit and profit left on screen is still not your profit. A bird in hand is worth two in bush. What if you book your profit and trade gives more profit? That's why I say book at least partial profit. If 10 sets are traded, book at least 5 sets at 1.5%. At 2% profit, book another 3. Keep last 2 sets for maximum profit. Nobody goes broke by booking small profits. Hope you appreciate these rules from your own experience also. Please let me know yes or no. I am leaving you with a video on no greed framework which follow all these rules. Please hit the like button and subscribe button. Download the TOS app from link given in the description. See you in the next video. Thank you.